this is our project from Patnitola SMS. We take 5 projects. The total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 project. I think one of our teacher described one project. Now describe project number 1, fish culture. Please come on, simple.
Everybody, thanks. We can hear in the blackboard 3 ponds. It's a big project from Patnitola. It's very important. We can see the area of Patnitola is very good. Is very good for fish cultivate. Many people has benefited by fish cultivate. Beside fish is an ideal force of Bangladesh. For this reason, we are choose this project. People are suffering to nutrition. It's a big problem of Bangladesh. We can try to solve this problem in the project. And next time, when we successfully this project, we fill up the crisis to nutrition. And also we earn a lot of money, which money develop our total project and another project. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Now to describe the second project, tree plantation.
Tree
Please,
plant.
Morshada, please come.
At first rent some land,
And then
and then there are 200 plants in grow. After 5 years, each tree sells 300 taka, and this money we will buy another some land and some again tree plantation, and in this way day by day income day by day increasing.
okay.
Day by day increasing. We also get enough oxygen from it. Oxygen is compulsory for human being. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Morshada. Now the next project, project number 3. We spent 20,000 taka for this project. Please come. Computer Jagadish Mandal, Principal of Patnitola SNS.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody, and thanks to Toby for Patnitola group number 2. I'm Jagadish. I'm describe our share computer. Computer is essential things of all over the world. So first we purchasing some computer, 5 or 6 computer and photocopy machines, and then take internet and internet connection. Then we all the people they using this computer and photocopy machines, and we earn many money, and so we doing or using this computer for our official purpose, and we save our money, official money. So we choose this project.
Thank you, Jagdish
Thank you.
Mandal. The project number 4, we spent this project for 40,000 taka. Please come Shukumar Rishi for describing this project.
Thank you very much. So now I am going to say something about clinic. Clinic is a very important thing for in our locality. We have seen the most of the rural children and people they have no opportunity for medical treatment. Always we think the two types of things. One is nurturing and one is income source. If we build up a clinic, we can serve the rural child and people, and also we can earn some money from here. And this project is going very well in our locality or in Bangladesh. So we can earn some money from here, and also we will use and include money other program, and day by day we will run more little money from here. Thank you very much. I want to end here.
Thank you, Shukumar, for your describing. And then the next one and last project of Putni Tola SMS, school project. We spent here 1 lakh taka. This project described Komal Ghosh. Please come, Komal Ghosh.
Thank you, everybody. At first, school is a factory of making nation. Education is the backbone of a nation. Man cannot develop without education. Education. By this project, we can build up a gentle person, gentle nation. In this project, we get some tuition fee by this student. By this way, with increasing the money.
Thank you, Komal Ghosh, for your describing project. Now I describe all a little bit.
Yes. Thank you.
We spent 1 lakh taka for school, and then monthly income is 2 or 3,000, and then we spend here 40,000 taka, and monthly income here 4 or 5,000 taka, and then cyber cafe or computer shop we spend here 20,000 taka, and it increasing every month 20 or more money, 20 or more thousand money, and then we spend here tea plantation project. Here also it is a long life project. We spend here 50,000 taka, and after 5 or 6 years it's getting big money, large amount of money. And then we spend some money, 3 ponds. We rent 3 ponds, and every ponds we spend 20,000 taka, and after 6 months, every 6 months we get a amount of money, and the total yearly income is about 60,000, and then the calculation is we spend our income for teacher salary. Teacher salary 10 teachers. We are 10 teachers. 10 teachers into 6,000. 6,000 equal to 60,000. School expense 5,000. And expenditure is 65,000. Income is 42,000. More need, we need more money, 23,000. If the amount of money 3 lakhs to increase 10 lakhs taka, we will solvent. And then the benefit is here. It helps us make more money. We will establish this school. This is the instruction of this project is here. Above all,
Thank you very much.